Gift Nifty rises as investors await FM Sitharaman's union budget. Discover key Nifty and Bank Nifty levels and insights into India's economy. Stay tuned for market reactions. Gift Nifty is on the rise this Tuesday morning. The silver lining from yesterday's session was that FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 3,444 crores rupees despite Nifty trading in red for most part of the session. Investors now brace for next big catalyst. 1. FM Nirmala Sitharaman's union budget to be presented this Tuesday, 23 July 2024 at 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time. We suspect expectations of benefits being doled out in the union budget 2024 are very high, way higher than those in interim budget. So, all bullish hopes that FM's economic blueprint is a game changer and lifts Nifty straight to psychological 25,000 mark. Hopefully, FM Sitharaman comes out with flying colors with a balanced budget with a focus on job creation, a focus on capex, manufacturing, infrastructure, rural economy, and controlling the deficit and bringing the economy back on track and meets the expectations of the country. Long story short, the street will spy with one big eye if the FM can support economic growth while controlling deficits. Global cues are mostly positive as bulls aim to regroup. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 3444 crores while DIIs were net sellers to tune of Rs 1652 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating overbought technical conditions plus bearish engulfing pattern on the daily charts. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX has spiked towards 15.43 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 0.89 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.04. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 4509. Support, 24,300 to 24,200. Resistance, 24,700 to 24,800. Range, 24,200 to 24,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 280. Support, 51,700 to 51,500. Resistance, 52,700 to 53,000. Range, 51,700 to 53,000. Bias, sideways to bullish. Investors' confidence rises with economic growth. Dalal Street, now and then. Nifty, 24,500 in 2024 versus 8,248 in 2014, 196% gain. BSE market cap, 400 lakh crore in 2024 versus 81 lakh crore in 2014, 394% gain. Indian economy is a bright star with 7% growth, the highest among major economies. Indian economy in a sweet spot. GDP 6.8% in 2024 versus 7.41% in 2014. Inflation CPI 4.83% in April 2024 versus 6.67% in 2014. Forex reserves $641.6 billion in 2024 versus $304.2 billion in 2014. Fiscal deficit 5% in April 2024 versus 4.1% in 2014. CAPEX 11.1% in 2024 versus 9.01% in 2014.